Good morning, guys. So I literally just woke up and I also have a cold. So my voice right now sounds very manly, but it is 9 a.m. and I'm gonna film a what I ate today video today. And as promised from my last what I ate today video, I'm actually going to show you what I'm making, because last week I kind of had already prepped everything. So I didn't actually get to show you many recipes, whereas today I'm gonna make everything from scratch. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so for breakfast this morning, I'm going to have some good old Wheat Bix. Kind of makes me feel like a child, but I love Wheat Bix. So, a Weetabix. Let me know if you can find these where you live. I know in the UK they have them because I watch Megan Grubbs, that's her name, and she eats them, but I wonder if they have them anywhere else. I just feel like if you're a kid and you live in Australia, you probably grew up eating these and your mum probably made you, because they're not that high in sugar. Where is the sugar? 1 gram. So that is pretty good for a friggin' cereal. Usually cereals are like 10 grams of sugar. So my mum would only ever let us eat Wheat Bix. And now I love Wheat Bix. So I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna do 4 in a bowl. I'm gonna break them up and I'm gonna put them in the microwave and warm them up with some coconut sugar. Now, again, if you're from Australia and you have never tried warmed up Wheat Bix, you have not lived, because it's the best thing ever. It's kind of like mushy and the texture's weird, but it just tastes so good, especially with like coconut sugar on top. Oh, so yum. Alright, so I've got my big bowl of Wheat Bix. The good thing about Wheat Bix is that it literally took like 1 minute or 1.5 minutes to warm up in the microwave and you can eat it straight away. The thing with porridge is that I feel like it takes a good hour to cool down and not burn the roof of your mouth. Whereas Wheat Bix, you can just eat straight away. And it's just so like warm and comforting, especially on a cold day or like in winter. So if you've never tried warm Wheat Bix, definitely give it a go. It does kind of look like slop, but I promise you it tastes amazing. So I top it with coconut sugar, and I also usually have a banana with it as well. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make a almond milk coffee, eat up my breakfast, and then I'll check in with you guys when I have lunch. So it is now 12:30 and it is time for some lunch because I am starving. I've just been at home all morning doing like admin and other things on my laptop, but now I am so ready for lunch. I'm gonna make oh, I just stood on my cat's tail. I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. Okay, he's coming back around. Come here. I'm sorry, baby. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna make some lunch now. So, I've got some leftover beef mince from dinner last night. We made beef burgers. So I'm gonna use that. Half an onion, some tomatoes. Fun fact, I actually really don't like tomatoes, but this recipe I am putting in my ebook because I love taco bowls, and I just feel like the pico de gallo stuff that's in a taco bowl kind of makes the photo. So I'm literally putting tomatoes in my taco bowl purely for photo reasonings. And then the other 2 things I need are some beans. So I've got kidney beans and some brown rice. Let's quickly make some lunch because I'm starving. finished with my taco bowl now. This is the finished product. So I'm gonna pick out the tomatoes because I ain't gonna eat them. But I just took a photo for the ebook, and yeah, this smells so bloody good. If I'm being honest, I would usually buy the taco seasoning already made, like in Woolies and Coles. They do have like the salt reduced version, so I usually buy those when I'm feeling really lazy. But I've already tasted this and it tastes exactly the same. So it's so easy to make at home, and it's obviously a lot healthier for you because you know the ingredients that go into it and you probably already have them in your cupboard already. So it was just paprika, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, and then if you want to add a little bit of chili powder or chili flakes, totally optional. But yeah, it was super easy. It smells so good. I also pan fried the kidney beans in the same kind of taco seasoning, so it all kind of had flavor. But yeah, I'm really excited to eat that. So I'm gonna eat this for lunch. I'm gonna go train some clients, and then when I get back in the afternoon, I will show you what I'm having for a snack. Am I literally 80 years old or what? I'm having my afternoon cup of coffee, and then I also just baked the best chocolate chip cookies ever. They look amazing and they smell so good, and they're like the texture is like soft and chewy on the inside, but then like a little bit harder on the outside, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I'm so excited to eat this. How does this not look like the most delicious cookie ever? I'm gonna take a photo of them now, and I'm gonna actually post it on my Instagram. So I'll leave my Instagram just here, and if you guys want to see the actual recipe and the measurements, then pop over to my Instagram, because I have been posting so many more recipes. I post at least once or twice a week, and a lot of them are like healthier treat options, so definitely check that out if you have a big sweet tooth like me, because I love to bake. But I'm gonna have one of those cookies, my cup of coffee, and then I have to head back out and train clients until 9 o'clock this afternoon. I'll probably pack like a protein shake or at least a smoothie with me. So if I do that, I will show you guys what I'm doing. But back in the kitchen now, and it's a whole lot later. I quickly worked out after I filmed that last clip, and then I didn't have any time to film or make a smoothie in general because I was running out of time. So instead I made, oh, Andy already rinsed it, just a Happy Way protein shake, just as is, because making a smoothie takes time and effort sometimes. And then I had this little bag of quinoa puffs. If you're from Australia, you can get them at like Woolies, I think. But they're just made out of quinoa, and they kind of taste like cheese twisties. So loving those at the moment. I just love to like snack on things, so that's like a perfect thing to snack on while I was driving to my clients. And it is now 9 p.m. so I am starving. Andy has so kindly made us some dinner. So we've kind of got like a homemade Nando's. We have some chicken breast, white potato chips, and some veg. Kind of like a basic meal, but because I get home so late, it's just kind of whatever Andy can make, and this is like the one thing that he can make. So that is what we're having tonight. Not mad about it. I freaking love homemade Nando's. And other than that, the only other thing I should talk about is my water intake. So this is my 4th bottle, and it is 750 mils. So I've had, who can do maths? 1,000, no, 1,500, 2 and a bit liters. When I finish this, it'll be 2.4 liters, I think. No, it won't. It'll be 3 liters. Wow. Can she do maths? No, she cannot. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my food now, but if you guys did enjoy this what I ate today video, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram for any recipe inspo that you guys want, because again, I post so many new recipes on there all the time. But yeah, also subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!